Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about comparatives and superlatives. Now a comparative is a word that compares two items, and comparatives typically end in ER. So for instance, we have words like faster, smarter, brighter, funnier, etc. Now superlatives on the other hand are words that are used to compare three or more items, and superlatives usually end in EST. They are words like fastest, smartest, brightest, funniest, etc. Now, the important thing to remember with comparatives and superlatives is we have to be very strict about their usage. If we have a sentence that only compares two items, we have to use a comparative. We cannot use a superlative. Similarly, if we have a sentence that compares three or more items, we have to use a superlative. We cannot use a comparative. Let me show you some examples of that. Here's our first one. Between butterflies and spiders, humans admire butterflies more. Now, in this sentence, we are comparing two items, butterflies and spiders. Because we are only comparing two items, we have to use the comparative word, which in this case is more. We wouldn't say most at the end. If we said most at the end, this sentence would then become grammatically incorrect. Therefore, we have to use the word more. That's our comparative. In this next sentence, though, you can see that we're going to be comparing more than two items. Out of all of the players on the team, Safi is the fastest. Now, we can assume that there are more than two players on the team. Therefore, we are talking about a situation where we're comparing three or more items. And that means we have to use the superlative. Now, in this case, our superlative is fastest. It would be grammatically incorrect to say faster. So your takeaways from today. First off, a comparative is a word that compares two items in a sentence. A superlative compares three or more items. We have to use a comparative when we are only comparing two items, and we have to use a superlative when we are only comparing three or more items. So that being said, the easiest way to get really good at using comparatives and superlatives correctly is simply to practice. Go online, find some practice sentences, or take the quiz that is associated with this course. Either way, have a good time practicing. Watch out for those comparatives and superlatives. And this has officially been my fastest grammar video, a superlative. Thanks for watching.